For my next video, I'd like to do one on how to do swipe down and get notifications or combine the panel. It'll make a little more sense as we go along here. So I'm using a little preface. I'm using the Samsung S26 Ultra. This will work on, I believe, everything that's up to the 8, One UI 8, and Samsung, of course. So as I like to say, let's dig right in. So first thing we want to do is you want to pull down, and as you can see, I have mine set that my notifications and my panel are together. Instead of having a pull down where you just get notifications, I have mine both together. It makes a lot more sense. It's more convenient, it's faster. So let me show you how you do this. So go to the cogged wheel. Oops, nope, take that back. Let's go to pull down again. So you swipe twice, 1, 2, and then you get all your information. And then what we want to do, you want to hit the edit, the pencil, and then top left, panel settings. And there you can see mine are together. So view notifications and collapsed quick settings together. To view the full quick panel, swipe down one more time. Or you can use 2 fingers and it'll bring up the main screen. So go into my home screen, 2 fingers does the entire settings. 1 finger, let's go back to the home page. 1 finger does notifications and partial settings. So let's finish back reading that, which I just did it again. Okay, so panel settings. Then separate, if you want them separate, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open the quick settings panel. Swipe down from anywhere else on the top of the screen to open notifications. So that's nice if you're just wanting to do one, but why not do them both? It's so much simpler to me. It's personal preference, of course, but in my book, swipe down once, you get your notifications and you can get your settings. So it's pretty simple there. Let's go through some more of these settings that they have here. Edit top quick settings. So this is the top settings that when we swipe down once, this is what we get. And you can change those. So if you don't like them, you can reset them, take them away, add them, subtract them, whatever you want to do. Reset quick. Yeah, we don't want to reset that. I like what I have. Brightness control, show always, or show when the quick panel is on, so I like it to always be there. Device control and media output buttons, I don't have those. I don't really output my media to anything, so it's kind of a moot issue there for me on having those. But if you like to output your media to your TV and stuff like that, it'd be nice to have their quick. So again, let's go over this because I know I stuttered a little bit here. So go to, well, first off, 2 fingers, the entire panel. 1 finger, notifications and the settings at the top that you select. Okay, to get to how to do that, you do swipe down all the way and do the pencil, edit, and then panel settings. And then there's how you do it, separate or together. My setting that I currently have is together, both of them. So if I had a notification here, it would be where it says no notifications. And then I also have my settings, my phone settings, the ones that I use the most and need access to right away. If I want more, I can still swipe down and get more. But this is just a quick, what is that, 2, 4, 6 of them, plus my brightness slider. For quick access. So that is my video on how to do the control panel separate or together. I hope you found my videos to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time, and until next time, I'm out.